into trading idea for the day. We have three. Let's start. The first one is JCY. So one of the reasons we re-highlight JCY because the stock has been doing quite well for the past few weeks. We has been highlighting the stock on 27 October. The stock is actually gaining about 21.8% to peak at 25 cents, which is slightly higher than our first target of 24 cents. The subsequent pullback you saw is pretty much was kept within the 20 and 50-day moving average, and the stock continued to create a new higher structure. So if you notice the recent pullback, as the stock trading lower, buying interest start to pick up again. So signaling there's plenty of interest within this particular level. The rejection also occurred within the recent resistance, which now turning into a support level. So because of that, we think there's a decent chance for the uptrend to continue. If you look overall reading, still looking quite positive. There's little bit on the divergence on the we call that on the RSI, but as long as the structure is still intact, we still believe that the stock could able to continue to trade higher. We reiterate our technical buy with the next and new higher target is actually at 28 cents and 34 cents, while the stop loss also has been revised higher to 20.5 cents. Then we have Notion. So the Notion stock is doing quite attractive. If you look, the stock is actually building some sort of baseline within the 88-day moving average. You are seeing a new higher structure was formed. And this kind of baseline here, you seen kind of like a reversal on pattern over here. The momentum is actually improving. The trend structure for RSI is actually a little more supportive. The D trend also just entered the what we call it above zero level. So that means the upcycle has started to begin. Trading volume also has improving slightly. So we think there's decent chance for the ongoing stock to continue to trade higher, keep starting the ongoing upcycle toward the next technical target at 37.5 cents and 42.5 cents, while the color level will be below 30 cents. Last but not least would be Southern Cable Group. So one of the reasons why we highlight the stock because the long-term structure for the trend has looked quite attractive. So if you look back since November last year, the stock is pretty much traded below the major 200-day moving average until recently on the 24 July, the stock has built some sort of new breakout move, and ever since the stock continued to trade higher, riding along the 200-day moving average. So the uptrend still pretty much intact, and the recent rebound was occur right within at 35, 36 level, which is also served as the recent resistance, now turning into support level. So because of the resurging interest, particularly as per yesterday, we think there's decent chance for the uptrend to continue. Hence, we think there's decent chance for the stock to trade higher. Where if you look reading on the RSI, also fresh breakout above 50-point mark and long-term average line, MACD about to turn positive as well. So the next technical target should be at 41 cents and 46.5 cents, while the cut loss level should be below 34 cents. Hey!